Hi everybody, it's Ginger from Marvelous Mouse Travels, and we're here today at Port Orleans French Quarter, and we're going to do a resort tour. We just actually walked over from Port Orleans Riverside, and if you'd like to see that video, the link is in the description below. But come with us as we check out this beautiful moderate resort. Even though they're technically two separate resorts, Port Orleans Riverside and Port Orleans French Quarter are an easy walk or even a quick boat ride away from each other and share several amenities. Our tour of the resort will begin here, just outside the entrance to the main lobby building of Port Orleans French Quarter. First, we'll walk in and turn to the right to check out the registration area as well as the main retail location on site. Then we'll walk back across the entryway to check out Scat Lounge and Sasagula Floatworks and Food Factory. We'll even have a little snack there before we leave. We'll walk out the back doors here to check out the main pool, and then we'll look at some of the guest rooms before ending up here on the boat dock. Like its sister resort, Port Orleans Riverside, Port Orleans French Quarter is in the moderate resort category. The resort offers a themed pool and splash pad, a variety of recreational activities, a food court, as well as a lounge and pool bar. In addition to bus transportation to the theme parks and water parks, French Quarter also offers the added bonus of boat transportation directly to Disney Springs. Standard rooms at Port Orleans French Quarter feature 2 queen-size beds as well as double sinks in the bathrooms, and some rooms also have the option of a king-size bed along with double sinks in the bathrooms. Guests can also choose from a room with a standard view, a garden view, a river view, or a pool view. Here outside the front entrance to the main lobby of Port Orleans French Quarter, you can see the guest drop-off area, as well as the bus station where you would catch Disney's free transportation system to any of the theme parks or water parks. Walking in, you get your first glimpse of the New Orleans-style architecture that's found throughout this resort. Once inside the lobby, the registration area is found directly on your right. Just past the registration desks, you'll find Jackson Square, which is the retail location on site at Port Orleans French Quarter. On the other side of the lobby building, you'll find Sasagula Floatworks and Food Factory and Scat Club. Scat is themed after a New Orleans jazz club, so it's only appropriate that you can enjoy live jazz music here. You can also enjoy a full-service bar as well as an appetizers menu, and there's a lot of great music memorabilia decorating the walls at this location. This picture of Walt Disney with Louis Armstrong was one of our favorites. Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory is the food court located at Port Orleans French Quarter, and not surprisingly, one of their most popular menu items is their jambalaya. The bakery shop at Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory offered a variety of delicious-looking treats, including king cakes, pralines, miniature pies, as well as a selection of ice creams to choose from. But for us, by far the standout menu item were the beignets. These beignets are prepared fresh to order, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that they are one of the best things that I've ever eaten at Disney World, and are a reason in and of themselves for you to check out this resort. Stepping outside the back doors to the main lobby, you can appreciate even more of the New Orleans-style architecture of this resort. The walkway to the pool is themed to look like a street in New Orleans, complete with an alligator jazz band. The splash pad and main pool are elaborately themed and offer a lot of fun for both kids and adults alike. Mardi Gras is a great place to get refreshments poolside. Just off from the pool, there's a relaxing spa pool area as well as a playground. Even the sidewalks at this resort are well themed. Located around the main lobby building on both sides are the buildings containing the guest rooms, which are all themed to look like a street in New Orleans. As you can see from this sign, there are a lot of great activities taking place at this resort on a daily basis. As you can see, Port Orleans French Quarter is a beautiful resort that offers a lot of really great amenities. But probably one of the best amenities that it offers is its direct boat access to Disney Springs. Disney Springs is an excellent dining, shopping, and entertainment location, and being close to that makes this one of the most attractive Disney resorts to stay at. If you'd like to see our full video tour of Disney Springs, as well as our tour of French Quarter's sister resort, Port Orleans Riverside, we'll put those links in the description below. Again, I'm Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thank you for watching.